Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Amir and I talk about data, cloud, and machines. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be sharing a lot of videos that will help you to become a data scientist or take your data science skills to the next level. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Jupyter Notebook theme to something really cool and sexy. So let's go. I've just made this dummy notebook. It doesn't really contain any data, but it's just for you to be able to see how changing color means for my markdowns, my pieces of code, and the way I kind of show my pandas data frames. And probably last but not the least, how does it really show my graphs? Because I think that at the end of the day, I'll be showing my graphs as the final deliverable of my code. But I'm not going to use this notebook to install my themes and change themes because I just want to use this as a visualization tool. I'm just going to come back to this later. But for now, let's go to File, New Notebook, and Python 3. I'm just going to open a brand new notebook and I'm just going to show you the most important steps in changing the themes. So step 1, pip install Jupyter Themes. This is the library that you can actually see what kind of themes are available to you and how you can install them. So run that. Beautiful. That actually shows, yep, that's done. It's been installed. And let me just go ahead and import it. So this is step 2. Import Jupyter Themes as JT because that's Jupyter Themes. Brilliant. Now that I have imported the library, I can actually see what kind of themes are available to me. So I'm just going to go !JTL. You might ask, why do I have the exclamation mark? So the way this library has been written, I need to use it to be able to import the themes. So JT-L will list all the themes available. So that was step 3. So I've got Chesterish, grade 3, and I don't really know how they look, but there is a way to see before you changing them. All right, so I'm on the GitHub page for the creator of Jupyter Themes. Thanks to him, we have this really nice Jupyter Themes to use. But also, if you don't know how to change the GitHub theme, that my GitHub looks nice and sexy. It's in black. So I have a video that I'm going to post the link up the top right. You can click on it and see how to change your GitHub, but that's not the point here. So I've taken you here. I'm going to put the link to this web page and you can go ahead and you can see how this creator has kind of put all together these really nice themes. But also, if you want to see how they look, just go to the screens folder and just say, I want to see how Chesterish looks like. There is a snippet of how this is actually cool. I like it. So you can go back. You can say, okay, I just want to see what Oceans 16 looks like. That's pretty good. Yeah, I like it. So anyways, their link is down in the description below. Righto. Now that we know where to find more information and where to view them, we can actually start changing them on my Jupyter Notebook. So I'm just going to go ahead and say !JT-T, and I'm just going to say, I want you to give me this one. Copy that and paste it there. Run. Okay. You won't see anything until you really go ahead and reload the page. Hopefully, yes. This is how it looks. Whoa, it's actually really cool. So let me see if I can just comment this out. So this is how it looks, but this is not my visualization tool. I'm just going to go back to my original and reset this. Wow. Yes, I like it. I actually like it. So I've kind of zoomed out for you to be able to see the whole page. So if I put this back to 100%, you'll see this is actually how your Jupyter Notebook will look like. But if you're like, okay, I'm not really happy with this, I want to just go back, no problems, just go !JT and -R. It will revert it to the original. Okay, let's reset. You will have to reload the page for the changes to take effect. Okay, Wait. Fingers crossed. Don't die. Ah, brilliant. Yes, we're back to normal. And if I do the same, if I reload the same page, I will be back to normal, hopefully. It will take a bit of time because it's just kind of resetting the Jupyter theme. It will be back. Wait for it. Okay, brilliant. That's it. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and see you later.